Hey everyone! Today we're diving into 10 fun hobbies that can actually make you money. That's right, you can get paid for doing what you love. We've got everything from turning your love of taking pictures into cold hard cash to making bank by playing video games. It's about time we stop considering hobbies as just ways to pass the time and start seeing their money-making potential. Let's get started. So you love taking epic photos of landscapes, pets, or maybe even that delicious burger you had last week? That's awesome. But did you know you can actually sell those photos online? Platforms like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto are always looking for amazing images. And the best part? You can keep selling the same photo over and over. Imagine waking up to find out you made money while you were sleeping, all because someone loved your photo of a squirrel eating a nut. That's the power of photography. Got a knack for writing and love sharing your thoughts with the world? Dude, blogging might be your jam. You can write about literally anything: travel, food, gaming, your pet hamster, anything. Once you build up a following, you can start earning money through ads, sponsored posts, or even by selling your own products. Think of it like having your own online magazine where you call all the shots. Are you a master with a glue gun? Do you knit scarves in your sleep? If you love making things with your own two hands, then listen up. Crafting isn't just a fun way to pass the time, it can be a real moneymaker. Websites like Etsy are like a giant online craft fair where you can sell your one-of-a-kind creations to people all over the world. From jewelry to candles to custom phone cases, there's a market for everything. You're already spending hours playing video games, so why not get paid for it? Streaming platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming let you broadcast your gameplay to the world. If you're entertaining and build a loyal following, you can earn money through subscriptions, donations, and sponsorships. Plus, you get to connect with other gamers who share your passion. It's like turning your bedroom into your own personal gaming arena. Love whipping up delicious meals or baking mouth-watering desserts? Turn your passion for food into a side hustle. You could start a food blog or YouTube channel and share your recipes and cooking tips. As your audience grows, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or even by publishing your own cookbook. Think of it. You'll be sharing your love of food and inspiring others to get cooking. If you've got a way with words, why not put those skills to work and make some serious dough? Freelance writing is a booming industry, with businesses constantly needing blog posts, website content, and marketing materials. Or if you've got a novel burning inside you, self-publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easier than ever to share your stories with the world and earn royalties. The possibilities are endless. Are you a fitness fanatic who loves helping others achieve their health goals? Becoming a personal trainer can be an incredibly rewarding way to make money while making a difference. You can work one-on-one with clients, lead group fitness classes, or even start your own online fitness coaching business. Sharing your passion for fitness and helping others live healthier lives? That's a win-win. Do you have a gift for music? Don't let your talent go to waste. In today's digital age, it's easier than ever to share your music with the world and even earn some cash. You can sell your songs online through platforms like iTunes and Spotify, or offer online music lessons to aspiring musicians. Who knows? You might even become the next big thing. Got a green thumb? Love getting your hands dirty in the garden? Gardening isn't just a relaxing hobby, it can also be a profitable one. You can sell your homegrown produce at local farmers markets, start a plant nursery, or even share your gardening knowledge by starting a blog or YouTube channel. Imagine the satisfaction of earning money from something you've grown yourself. Are you an animal lover who enjoys spending time with furry companions? Pet sitting can be a fun and flexible way to earn extra cash. Many pet owners are willing to pay for someone trustworthy to look after their beloved animals while they're away. You can advertise your services in your community or through online platforms like Rover or Wag. Plus, you get to hang out with adorable animals. Who wouldn't love that? So there you have it, 10 fun hobbies that can actually put some extra cash in your pocket. Remember, the key is to find something you're passionate about and get creative with how you can monetize it. Who knows, your hobby could even turn into a full-time gig. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you next time.